looking to move into Dallas-Fort Worth and you want to find the best deals possible? What if you could move into a new master plan community 30 minutes from literally everything you need to be around? That is what we're going to talk about, and getting started around the low 400s price point. Absolutely amazing deals, and we're going to talk about that next, so don't go anywhere. If this is your first time to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you can be made aware the next time we put a new video up on the channel. Hi, I am Elizabeth Oliva. This is the Fort Worth Home Tours, and we get calls and texts from people just like you every single day looking to make a move to the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. So whether you're moving sooner or later, go ahead and connect with me. The details are below of how to do that, and I can help you make a smooth move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. For over 9 generations, Beazer has been building houses that their customers are proud to call home, thanks to their exceptional service, superior quality, and dedication to innovating ahead of expectations. With a long track record of awards and third-party certifications, you can rest assured that your Beazer home will be your dream home. Okay, so as we come in the front entryway, look at that beautiful wood floor. That is gorgeous. Now that's going to be an upgrade on that floor, obviously. All right, so because this is a rear entry home, we're gonna go off to the right here, and you'll see the first spare bedroom. Pretty cute. And let's check out the closets. Always like to do that. And we got a nice windowsill there. Kind of a larger windowsill. All right, and then we've got a hall bath here, hall full bath with a super shower and a bench. That's really nice to have that. Got a hall closet here. Oh wow, look at that. That is actually huge. Let's turn the light on. A nice under the stair storage. Wow, it's awesome. Somebody broke a lamp, uh-oh. Okay, and then coming through here, you've got a study, possibly dining. You know, you could do different things with this space right here. They've made it into kind of a study with like a bookshelf over there. That's nice. And then the stairs, we're gonna go up there here in a minute. Let's take a look at that. That's nice. So nice tall ceilings in here. Very, very nice. Moving into the kitchen. And the fireplace, look at that. And look at those windows on the top. I think that is so cool to have those windows up there. Really nice touch. Fireplace is, I believe, electric, but your range is gas. This is where your fridge would be. And this is your pantry here. Nice, actually some really nice cabinets. Yeah, decent cabinets. How do you like this backsplash? It's actually really pretty. Granite is the standard on the countertops, but you do have design choices. You do have design choices. And this is a cooktop. So you do have this option as well to, instead of a slide in, you can do the cooktop and this is what I have at home actually. It's just like that. Undermounted sink. And is that a trash pullout? Why, yes it is. Trash pullout. And they got a nice little breakfast nook here, or dining if you're gonna use that other room for a study. And notice this, you've got kind of a cutout to make this a little higher right through here as well. And since this is a rear entry garage, let's check out the backyard and see kind of what it looks like size-wise. Not bad, pretty decent size. Pretty decent. And it looks like brick all the way around the back. That's really nice as well. Sometimes you get the hardy board, the cement board. So you don't always get that. Okay, and then of course this is where you would come in from the garage. So you got your mudroom here, and then you have your laundry with some nice storage. That is actually pretty nice. Let's take a look at this direction. See what your living space would look like. Okay, let's go upstairs and check it out. I have not been up here, so I do not know what this looks like at all. So we had one bedroom down. So let's see what we got up here. Oh, okay, so we got game room area and media room. And since I haven't been up here, I didn't turn the lights on. And I can't find the light switch. Oh, there it is. There we go. Nice media room. This is above the kitchen. So very nice. And your game room. And then kind of a, oh, this is cool, like a little hallway. So this is a, yeah, the bedroom with the wood floors. It's really nice. So spare number 2. And look at this cool little window here, looking over the stairs. And then you have your hall bath. Hall full bath in there. And spare number 3 in here. Good size closet, yeah. Yeah, nice. Good size closet in there. All right, so kind of a little hallway here for your bedrooms and bathrooms. That's kind of nice. And then last but not least, let's check out the primary. So since this has a rear garage, the primary is in the front of the house. So let's check it out. Oh, look, it's got a little bit of a tray in the ceiling. It's nice. And extra room here. Look how they've done that. I think that's really cool. Little sitting area there. Really nice size. And great size primary bath. Wow. Really nice size. So we got a linen closet here. We've got the throne room here and a super shower. Look at the treatment here. That's kind of nice. What do y'all think? Do you like that? How they've done that ceiling? You don't normally see that in a shower. You got the garden tub. Very nice. Obscured glass. And your double vanity. And then your primary closet. It's a really good size. Really good size closet. So what do you think? Now this is Beazer Homes. Like I said, they started in the 1600s. In the 1600s. Pretty crazy. And I'm gonna give you some details here. Give you a little more information. So this is the Richland. This is the plan, the Richland. And you can have choices. You can change your kitchen up. You can change some things. So the Richland is the plan. Let's find it here. Okay, so the Richland, this plan's starting at $476,990. Okay, 2-story, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 4 baths. You can get the fireplace, extended covered patio, lots of options. No cost options, a kitchen, primary bath. So these floor plans, these are 50-foot lots that these are on, and they start at 403. Yeah, right at 400,000. That's amazing. So they also have 60-foot lots, and those homes start at 410. Wow. This is a really, really great price point. Really, really great price for this area. So they have, like I said, a HERS rating of 39, and they are the only company that is, I think it's the Department of Energy. They're, I can't say the word. They're supported by the Department of Energy, certified with them, something like that. So this is the community. This is Goodland. Goodland is, like I said, it's gonna be right here. You got Dallas, you got Fort Worth, you got the airport. So we're just on the southern end of everything. And this 360, this road right here, is planned to be extended over here on the western side of Goodland. You are literally 30 minutes to Dallas, 30 minutes to Fort Worth. You are 10 minutes to the HEB. You are 20 minutes to the lake. So this is an amazing, actually an amazing community, an amazing place to live. So tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about this home. If this is something that you think you could see yourself living in. If you would like to be here in Goodland, go ahead and leave me a comment if you like this home. And then give me a call. Thanks for coming out and touring this home by Beazer Homes out at Goodland that's going to be its own city soon. This is an amazing area. It has the best prices in town. If you want to be 30 minutes from everything, definitely give me a call. If I can help you in this area, click the like button if you like the video, definitely, and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell for notifications so you can be made aware the next time we put a new video up. And if I can help you, go ahead and connect with me. The details are below of how to do that. I would love to show you how to make a smooth move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So this is Elizabeth Oliva. This is the Fort Worth Home Tours. And until next time, when you come into town, I hope to show you around.